Makana seeds are a nutritious and delicious superfood. They are also known as foxnuts or lotus seeds. These seeds come from the beautiful lotus flower, which grows in water. Makana seeds have been enjoyed in Asia for centuries, and they have a rich history in traditional medicine. People use them for a variety of health concerns, including digestive issues and inflammation. Makana seeds are becoming popular worldwide as more people discover their amazing health benefits. They are packed with essential nutrients such as protein, fiber, and antioxidants. Whether you eat them as a snack or add them to your meals, Makana seeds are a versatile and healthy addition to your diet. The journey of the Makana seed from flower to food is truly fascinating and intricate. It all begins with the careful harvesting of mature lotus pods by skilled farmers. These unique pods, which resemble showerheads, are filled with precious seeds. The pods are then meticulously opened to extract the seeds, ensuring none are damaged. The extracted seeds are thoroughly cleaned in water to remove any impurities and then dried naturally under the sun. This natural drying process not only enhances their shelf life but also preserves their nutritional value. Some of these Makhana seeds are roasted to create a delicious and crunchy snack that is enjoyed by many. Others undergo a polishing process to remove their brown outer layer, revealing a beautiful pearly white seed. Finally, the Makana seeds are carefully packaged in a factory, ready to be distributed and enjoyed by people all around the world. Makana seeds are packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect our skin from damage. They can help reduce wrinkles and promote a youthful glow. These powerful seeds also benefit our hearts. They are low in cholesterol and high in magnesium. Magnesium is essential for maintaining a healthy heartbeat. Makana seeds also contain potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Section 4. Makana seeds combating chronic diseases. Makana seeds are a valuable ally in managing chronic diseases. They can help regulate blood sugar levels. This is beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Their high fiber content aids digestion and promotes gut health. Makana seeds also possess anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help reduce inflammation in the body. This makes them beneficial for conditions like arthritis. Section 5. Beyond the basics, additional benefits of Makana seeds. The benefits of Makana seeds extend beyond skin, heart, and chronic disease management. They can aid in weight loss by promoting satiety. They are rich in calcium and phosphorus, essential minerals for strong bones. Makana seeds' antioxidant properties combat free radicals. This helps slow down the aging process. They also support kidney health by promoting detoxification. Section 6. Nutritional powerhouse. Inside every Makana seed. Makana seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They are an excellent source of protein, carbohydrates, and fiber. They are low in fat and calories. These seeds are rich in essential vitamins and minerals. These include B vitamins, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Their impressive nutritional profile makes them a valuable addition to any diet. Section 7. Embrace the Makana, a seed of wellness. Incorporating Makana seeds into your diet is easy and rewarding. You can enjoy them roasted as a crunchy snack, perfect for any time of the day. They add a unique texture and flavor to salads and stir-fries, making your meals more exciting and nutritious. Ground Makana seed powder can be added to smoothies and baked goods, enhancing their nutritional value. Embrace the versatility of Makana seeds and experience their incredible health benefits, from boosting your energy levels to improving digestion. Make Makana seeds a part of your journey towards a healthier and happier you. Whether you are a culinary enthusiast or just looking for simple ways to improve your diet, Makana seeds are a fantastic addition to your daily routine.